So in this situation, we have the block. Horizontal frictionless surface. And we have a force like this applied. Now the thing for us to realize is that there is a force in this direction, Fx, and there is a force in the vertical direction, Fz. We have the weight, like so, and we have the force normal. So what that tells us is, let's suppose this block weighed 10 newtons. When we pull it at an angle, what we know then is that Fn plus Fz equals the weight. So in other words, the normal force becomes less. All right? In this situation now, we are told that they do it this way, and then they increase the angle. They double the angle, but it's less than 90. Well, what you could then see is that this force, now having increased like so, will bring about a smaller Fx and a greater Fz. And if Fz increases, Fn must decrease, because the force of gravity is dependent upon the mass of the object. So if Fz, the angle increases, Fz increases, and if Fz increases, Fn decreases because the weight remains constant. So how does the new normal force exerted on the crate compare to Fn? The new normal force is greater. False. It's less. It looks like that's our choice. It's equal. Definitely not. Is greater or less than, depending on the value of theta. Now, this question is assuming we're talking about angles 0 to 90 degrees. And so this also is, we can see that as the angle gets bigger and bigger, Fz will get bigger and bigger all the way up to 90, and therefore Fn will get smaller and smaller, such that when F is 90 degrees, like so, that's when the object, the normal force, will be the least. So that's out, and that's why that's choice B.